Shout out to Pito and Yanya, thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making a private label soap. Excuse me for making a bit of noise, just to get everything prepared. Private label soap for a business in Western Australia in Perth. And this one is a special recipe for her. It is coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter and castor oil, very nice. And I am scenting it with, it's going to be mainly Sweet Orange tenfold essential oil, which is what's here. And it's going to be two colors, two layers. So the bottom layer will be gold clay with the dark orange, so it'll be a really nice golden color. And then the top color will be white clay, and I'm putting a little bit of titanium dioxide in the top layer as well. And then I'm going to put some organic calendula petals in the white top layer as well. So it's going to be half-half, which is great. Pretty straightforward. I had made a couple of other batches too for her and some facial bars, so she ordered quite a lot of different soaps. And the other one was peppermint, so it was like green and white, and the other one was like a rose, vanilla and ylang ylang. So I used the organic black raspberry vanilla fragrance oil for that, and then I mixed it with lime, rose geranium, ylang ylang and cedarwood, of course, to fix it. And it's the same as here, 4% orange tenfold, 1% cedarwood atlas. That's to help fix it. Everything is, let's see, 26 degrees for the oils, 35 degrees for lime water, which is great. And I have been using the sugar syrup, which is really, really good. So the sugar syrup is in here. Here is just the sodium gluconate and the sodium lactate, so everything is in order. It's a very simple bar, but very nice and elegant, and of course natural. She only wanted natural bars. So I'm going to go ahead and mix everything together. I'm actually recording this video the day before I'm supposed to be releasing the video, because I thought it'd be a nice bar to share. So apologies for the noise in the background. Someone's cutting their grass or whippersnipper or whatever it is. So I'll be quick so you won't catch a lot of that. So I'm going to stop yakking and I'm going to go ahead and make some sweet orange soap with calendula. So let's go.